Hi everyone. Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In today's class, we will be learning the structure of HTML4 before we start with HTML5. Concepts that will be covered up to date are structure of HTML4, heading tags and its importance, other formatting tags. To start with coding, we have to open a Notepad file. I am using Notepad++, which is a freeware software and can be easily downloaded. Let us start with the basic structure of HTML4. This consists of opening and closing of HTML tag. Inside this there are two sections. That is, head tag and body tag. Both head tag and body tag are container tags. Head section is used to specify the title of the page, and also to mention the meta description of the page, which we will come across in HTML5. Body section consists of all text content that will be displayed to the user. So this is the basic structure. HTML allows you to insert comments that will be displayed to you in the code, but won't be shown when you display the output. The comments will be displayed in green color. Next you start entering the content that you want to display to the user inside the body tag. The first content that we will see is heading tag. Now, there are 6 different heading tags in HTML, which has different font size and same font style, which can be changed using CSS, which we will learn in the following classes. Heading tags are indicators used in HTML to help structure your web page from an SEO point of view, as well as helping Google to read your piece of content. Heading tags are very important in a website since it helps the search engines, that is, Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo etc. to identify your web page according to the heading given. Each of this heading style has different text size, which can act as headings, subheadings, etc. inside your web page. Once you are done typing, check the output, which shows you how the content will look on the browser. Before checking the output, make sure that you have your page saved in a dedicated folder, in which you will save all other pages that you design. Save the page with the extension .html. To check the output, open the folder where the files are saved. So this is how the heading tags are displayed, as per the ones that you use. Next we will learn about the formatting tags in HTML, which includes bold, italics, and underline. These are given as B tag, I tag and U tag, all written inside the angle brackets. To show you all the use of formatting tags, we have used P tag, which is a paragraph tag, which gives you white space before and after the opening and closing of the tags. So as you can see in the code, I have mentioned the locations where I want to apply the effects of bold, italics and underline. Open the web page. In the output section, the same contents will receive the given formatting. With this, we will end today's video. We will meet again next time. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.